Can someone just explain to me what I just saw?
I was just walking along the arroyo when I heard a ruckus down in the water.
Only one came up. Damn. Fucking killed it.
One of the birds just disappeared. I waited for it to pop up somewhere else, but it never did.
What the hell?
So I walked down to the water's edge to see if I could see a body, but there wasn't one.
Is that really what I just saw? Did the bird's soul just leave its body? Was a demon duck trying to get in? Was that a quantum duck? Did I open the box at exactly the right moment and see the duck in both states? I don't see a body in there. Water's getting more clear and I still don't see another bird. What the did I just watch? There's not another bird anywhere around here. There's no feathers, there's no body, there's no sign that a bird died or that a dead bird was torn apart. Where did it go? These things float when they're alive. You telling me that as soon as they die, they sink like a stone? I don't buy it. What did I just see?